Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers, and welcome to our YouTube channel where it's everything flowers. And this time of year, it's still Christmas. What's the date? I don't know. It's the 10th, the 11th, something like that. Today we have an awesome project of making a monogram wreath out of a simple household hanger. Yeah, it's super cute, and you can actually make a heart, a peace sign, a cross, anything you really want. But yeah, we're gonna keep it simple, and today we're gonna make a letter. Yeah, letter K. So anyway, for this project today, you're gonna need some hangers. So wire hangers, obviously not plastic. You're gonna need hot glue, the paddle wire, and then some sort of pliers or clippers to cut the hangers with. And quick tip, you can actually clip right here in household pliers, and it clips wire. I didn't even know that until not too long ago. And these are some, what are these called? Oh, cable cutters, yeah. So anyway, you're gonna kind of deconstruct your hanger, right? So I kind of pulled this out and I made long shapes, and then you're just gonna kind of put them together depending on what kind of shape you want. And then you're gonna wire them together. It takes a little bit of some brawn because you really have to pinch this wire. But if you don't have strong hands, try using a zip tie. So then you can kind of see here, Caesar actually made this for me, and you can kind of see we wired it and we kind of bound it together, and then we made the arch shape of the K, or this, I don't know what you would call that, this shape. And then we just kind of formed it, and then we spot it with a big chunk of hot glue right in the middle to really make it secure so it was nice and stable. And you can see it's really, really sturdy stuff. So then the next thing that you're gonna do is choose your plant material. But you can also decorate these with fairy lights. You can decorate them all solid ornaments, like a small size. Or you can even decorate it with anything you want, or like spray painted plastic animals if you had a kid's room. So it's not necessarily a Christmas thing, but it is. Today I'm making Christmas greenery, but you could also just have it as a decor item. Today I'm gonna use this beautiful Fraser fir. I'm gonna use a little bit of cedar, and of course I love bay leaf. It smells so good, so I guess I can just cook a leg of lamb. I don't know, something, make a soup or make Italian food. And I cut these in small little pieces, and I'm just gonna kind of lay them down on the wire frame and wrap the wire around it. So I usually just start the wire and I just twist it. You don't have to tie a knot, just twist it. Can you see that okay? And then we kind of thought, oh, wouldn't it be cool just to use one kind of plant material, maybe kind of to mimic boxwood? And then that might be pretty, or we could just use bay leaf. But then we both came to the conclusion that it might be better to have a mixture because there's more variety and texture. So I'm gonna start off. And yeah, so you just push it tight, and it's going on really, really easy. And next up, a little piece of bay. And you want to make sure it's kind of more linear greenery. Rosemary would work great. So this one, she's a little flayed out, so I'm going to strip her down so she's a little bit more linear, and I'm gonna twist her. I wanted to show you, I don't know if you can see behind me, but check this out. We made a weed leaf wreath. I know, say that 10 times fast. So we used the same technique. Caesar made this and he glammed it up. But we were thinking about the impending decriminalization of marijuana, and I'm not a weed smoker, but I had this great account a couple of years ago, right when it was legal. Oh, you can see it's taken great shape. And I got a call from my friend who bought a weed shop, and it was really fun. And we decorated, instead of garlands, we used weed. but it was fake weed that was silk. And it was really, really fun. And his grandfather actually had an apothecary, old-fashioned drugstore, and he made it kind of inspired by his grandfather's pharmacy way back when. And it was a really awesome experience. Anyway, it is a cool thing. Okay, you can kind of see I'm getting down to the end, and you can kind of see all the texture. And I'm gonna whip this out. I think I need a little bit more cedar. Again, you know, make sure your cedar is a little bit more of a linear shape. This would be a great gift. You can also make a mini one of these and put it on a gift. That would be adorable. I do really like the bay leaf with the little seed pods. It's so pretty. Yeah, we were just talking about how we love the bay leaf, because the bay leaf just makes it a little bit more chic. You know, we love that word, chic. And just a teeny bit more upscale. And plus it's so nice with the contrast of the different greenery. So then at the end, to finish it, I'm gonna give myself a little bit of length. I'm gonna clip this, and then I'm going to just kind of make a very simple kind of knot and loop it on itself. Super easy. Can you see that? And it's not going anywhere. And just kind of wind it around the hanger. Okay, so I got the first part of the K. Now let's see. I think I should move this way just so the shape of the leaves is consistent. So definitely there's an up and a down, so you want to make sure all your greenery is facing the same direction. So again, you can make any kind of shape. This is a good chance for you to kind of, I don't know, make a really one-of-a-kind keepsake item or gift, whatever you think. Joy, yes, joy. I forgot about joy and love and, you know, those, I have a lot of words on my fireplace mantle, and I have yes and I have yay. I really like 3-syllable words. Yeah, so this would be really good. Maybe I should make a yay. Yay! Okay, it's coming together, and you can kind of see, my mechanics of where the hanger joinery is. So I'm just gonna make that a little bit fluffier so we won't see kind of these metal pieces. I feel like we need one more piece of bay leaf right there, right? Yeah. And then again, I'm going to clip this at the end, and I'm gonna have some length. I'm gonna clip this, and then I'm going to kind of wire it on itself. So a little bit more simple than our weed leaf, but so tailored and so beautiful. It smells so good. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe. Please hit the alert bell and tell us what you think. And also, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Love you guys.